Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet motorcycle sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. And it's a beautiful day today and I've got a beautiful bike to show you. I've got this 2013 Fat Boy Lo. It is in vivid black. It's got some nice upgrades on it. I'm not sure if those are the Vansenheins or the Bassani, or what brand they are, but got the big radius exhaust on there, good and loud. The bike has around 15,000 miles, maybe close to 16,000. It's in really nice shape. We've got brand new tires on it. Of course, it's been fully inspected and serviced and checked out by our technicians. Nice Harley-Davidson Daymaker LED on there. Got some of those air deflectors on the forks. Nice detachable windshield. Kuryokin hand grips. Some red Screaming Eagle plug wires. Little detachable luggage rack here. It does have a little boo-boo on the fender there, but nothing major. Another shot of the brand new tire. Got a nice solo Saddleman seat on there. I'm a huge fan of Saddleman personally. They're great seats. All right, 15,200 miles.